So folks, after becoming disabled as a result of a motor vehicle accident, our next guest shows no signs of slowing down. Named a 2024 30 Under 30 Caribbean American Emerging Leader Black Diplomats Academy Fellow, this young lady is eager to make her mark. Zooming in from St. Anne, the National Youth Advisory Council of Jamaica co-chair and creator of I Bloom Jamaica. Woo! Plenty that. Yanique Mendez is with us. Good morning, how are you?
Good morning, I'm fine, thanks. How are you?
We can't complain, but Yanique, we nearly talk till tomorrow just to tell him what you is and what you isn't and was and going to be.
No, isn't. It's all is.
Congratulations first. National Youth Advisory Council of Jamaica, co-chair and founder of I Bloom. So let's start there with the National Youth Advisory Council. What is your role? What do you guys do?
The National Youth Advisory Council of Jamaica is the organization, the youth organization that comes under the auspices of the Ministry of Education and Youth, now Skills and Information, and it basically comprises a group of youth who acts as advisors on behalf of the youth of Jamaica to the government, that is, different ministries and departments and agencies under the government of Jamaica. And just a correction, I am not the co-chair of the National Youth Advisory Council. I am the co-chair of the Policy Research and Review Committee under the National Youth Advisory Council.
It's all right. We just know say he was a co-chair.
Big thing.
Yeah, he's a big thing. He's a co-chair. But thanks for the correction.
Governor General Awardee, Achievement Awardee for the Parish of St. Anne, recently inducted as Governor General, I Believe Initiative Ambassador. Yanique, you've gone through some stuff, but your spirit, just from 2 minutes of talking to you, is clearly very indomitable. We read here that you had an accident and it's left you disabled. Obviously not a good situation, but you have turned it into something positive. Tell me a little bit about that part of your life and how it has built you stronger.
So, as you rightfully said, it's not something that is desirable for anyone, but it is something that I have to contend with. Being disabled, especially in Jamaica, where there aren't a lot of access specifically for physical disabilities, not a lot of facilities to ensure participation. It has really been challenging to ensure that you're participating and being visible for a community that is marginalized and underrepresented otherwise. So it has been quite a journey. It has not been without its challenges, but it is one that I have embraced and accepted and will continue to accept, just to ensure that there's inclusivity when it comes to persons with disabilities in Jamaica.
Yep. Just to piggyback on Sim's question, because many others would just stay so and say, well, say me done, me can't bother and this, that, and the other. But you seem to be just ready to go. Where did that come from? Where did this strength come from?
Actually, I think it came from not having a choice. Otherwise, I always believe that, those who are in a position to empower should empower. And I am privileged than most to be in a space that is accommodating, a space that has its challenges, but a space that can be dominated nonetheless. It also came from my mom, who I recently lost a few months ago. She has been that driving force behind me to continue being who I am, and also the extended support of my family. So I think that's where majority of my strength comes from.
Yeah, really sorry about your mom.
So tell us about I Bloom and the impact you hope to make with that, some of the issues that you're looking at. You mentioned some already, inclusivity, but wider youth issues. What are you looking to achieve through this nonprofit? I
Bloom has been around for almost 5 years, actually. We have done some major landmark projects. One of our major projects is the annual Yadel Christmas treat. When we talk about marginalization and underservice of youth, we kind of try to encapsulate those persons who are in state care homes and stuff like that. So we look at those issues. We look at youth empowerment and mentorship, as well as other topical issues that are not necessarily at the forefront of particular agendas. So
you're working to make a difference, is what you're saying.
yes.
Yes.
And congrats again, 30 under 30 Caribbean American Emerging Leader.
Thank you.
That's a big thing. I'm inspired. I'm impressed. And thank you so very, very much for sharing with us this morning. God bless you. And have some fun this holiday season. All right? Take care.
Thank you, and you too.
Yeah, man. Thanks a lot. National Youth Advisory Council of Jamaica, Yanique Mendez, and so much more. Obviously, a brilliant young lady. Eh?
Yep, quite
All right.
so. All right, guys, still to come, QMax wants to keep